Second job of the day. Scion down. Lexus ES 350 to go. We're going to be replacing these reflectors. Because, hey, Lexus, they'd be broken on here.
Do you need to use slide hammer?
Yeah. No, we don't need a slide hammer.
So far, that's been the answer for everything.
We're going to be putting
you don't use a slide
these babies in there.
These didn't break my hand this time.
I'm going to wire it up so the top strip here acts as the taillight, and the bottom strip is the brake light. Because, you know, the taillights have these narrow strips, and then these bits come on for brake lights. Yeah. Okay. We're on the same page? Get it? Got it? Button. I don't know how to work a Lexus. Well, you know, I probably should... Actually, I don't know.
It was that way for you.
Got all the Krazy crud out of here. Boop! Gonna be using that. Where's flashlight? We want this connector right here. Boop! This shall be removed. It shall be removed! Okay, there we go. Boop! That's where some wires will go through. That's where the other wires will go through. Boop! Also, this same thing on this side. A lot of grunting for what this genre of video is. Next, I'll be getting those. Yeah. See you in a minute underneath the car. Don't step on me. Okay. This, where it is? That screw. You gotta take that screw out. That's for the passenger side one. And likewise, over here on this side. Yes. And you can see the holes right there. That one. And that one that will be used for bringing the wiring into the car. Now, I've already extended the wiring on these because they've got plastic on them still. It's okay. It's okay. I've already extended them because the wires are only for this long. Okay. Once you get the screw out. Man, this camera is so weird to fit into small spaces. There's a tab right here. You've got to press in. I just did it a second ago. Tab, you gotta press in. And then it'll come right out. I said, it'll come right out. It'll come right out. Okay. I'll be back in a second. One down. Remember, kids, always clean out your hole. Oh, well, this hole's clean. Well, there we go. It's clean now. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, they don't fit. We'll be back when we have ones that actually fit properly, because these aren't molded right. We've already drilled holes, but you can't see. They're behind the... The autofocus, man. You look like a Jackson Pollock painting. Focus. There we go.
Alright. Well, today we're going to replace the reflector that's cracked with a replacement one. We had LED ones. I don't know if you're going to use any of what we filmed from that or not, but
that's going in front of this, actually.
okay. But yeah, they didn't end up fitting properly. So,
That's unfortunately didn't get caught on camera, and I kicked myself for not catching that on camera.
well, they didn't fit. So we're going to replace this one with a new one for the time being, and we'll continue looking to see if we can't find LED ones. Now I've got to figure out where this, if I can fit in here. Kit was working on the other one.
Watch.
His arm fits better.
Yeah.
But there's a screw back here that you got to get to.
I think we showed the screw already, but if you want to...
I'm sure you probably did.
Yeah.
I'm going to try it. I'm just trying to get down here so I can get it.
If only we bought you a mat that can...
Well, we did, but I got the thing for my knees over the mat, so... Yeah, but it's right. Exhaust in the way. It's right back over here. Right there's the, see my fingers? There's the catch part. And there's a screw over on that side, which I don't think you can see, but it's over here. But on this one, you'll see it. The screw is actually right there, which is over here. All right. Here's the camera back. Will you get me the snub, the little stubby Phillips?
Okay. I see the shorter Duralast. Is that one you talking about?
Yeah, the short one. There should be a little stub one.
Is this little stub?
No, but it might work. Stub. That size. Oh, that's right. Right there.
You hit it on me.
It was right with the screwdrivers, right above them. But you'll need a stub one because there's a bracket in the way. And you have to go at an angle, and it does not want to unscrew at that angle. This is why Kit was working on it before. He can actually get his hands in there. There we go. Push that little tab there in, and it slides out.
I'll watch this be just slightly brighter red than the other one. That's going to annoy the crap out of me.
It's just temporary till we can find something with LEDs.
Pretty much, yeah. And the LED one, it just slightly stuck out over here on mine. So...
Slightly, it stuck out like that.
enough that it was annoying and I didn't want to do it. Sticking might be a bad word. Bulging might actually be more of an accurate term for that. Looked like my car had hemorrhoids. All you do is grunt and groan. Hurts me to walk anywhere. Now I got Weird Al's Living with a Hernia in my head.
But that's not a hemorrhoid, that's a hernia.
I know, which is weird. That's just like Weird Al to get stuck in your head on the wrong thing. That's why he's effing Weird Al, man. Close enough.
That's the only difference. Looks the same to me.
Yeah, it looks the same to me, too.
Broken.
I'm sure somebody out there could tell the difference and will be able to tell me, but it's not broken. And we'll get LED ones on here. I do want a set of LED lights like Kit does. Not because I'm jealous of the Scion. I'm a little jealous of the Scion.
Well, it's any consolation. Kit's jealous of Shane's Scion.
Yeah. He needs to get LED tail light, LED reflectors on his Scion as well. Then we can be the LED gang. LED reflector gang. We need a secret handshake. Isn't that how that works? They get secret handshakes?
I don't know. You'd have to ask Kit.
All right. I'll tell him to develop
Speaking
a
of
secret handshake.
Is there a secret handshake for the LED tail light thingy? I don't know. Ask him.
Wow, you butchered that.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. Are we going to end this video, or are we just going to watch you wander around?
I don't know. Are we ending it, or am I wandering around more?
Okay. Well, it's on for now. I am going to get LED reflectors like Kit does on his Scion, because I am slightly jealous of that. And we'll find out if there's a secret handshake for this LED reflector gang thing. All right.
All right. Until next time. Crazy Karl Projects. Have a good one.
And please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes. That.
And tell us if there's a secret handshake for the LED reflector gang.
Okay.
All right.